everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Caden, and today we're going over the essentials of investing. Now, whether you have $100 or $1,000, it is possible to start building your financial future. And today we'll cover traditional stocks, exchanges, and cryptocurrency investments. And I'm going to show you how to get started with just a little bit of money. So let's go. Now, first up, let's talk about traditional stocks. And for those that don't know, stocks are essentially small pieces of a company that you can own. And when you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, which means you own a portion of that company. Companies issue stocks to raise money, and in return, investors receive a portion of that company's profits. So where do you buy these stocks at? Well, major exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ are where the magic happens. These exchanges provide a platform for you to buy and sell stocks, and they're regulated to ensure fair trading practices. Now, getting started is a lot easier than what you would think. First, you need to set up a brokerage account. Now, platforms like E-Trade or Robinhood are really good for beginners as they have a user-friendly interface and low fees. But I would suggest when you get a little bit more advanced, step up to a platform like TD Ameritrade. Now, once you've set up your account, you're going to need to decide what to invest in. And a great place to start is with index funds or ETFs. These are collections of stocks that give you exposure to a broad market segment, helping you diversify and reduce risk. Now, one very effective strategy that myself and many others use is dollar cost averaging. This means buying a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, no matter the stock's price. And over time, this can help smooth out the effects of the market's volatility. So say you can afford to invest $50 at a time. You would invest $10 every week on a certain day, and that would add up to about $50 a month. So either way, you would still be investing the same amount. Next, we're diving into my personal favorite, the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Now, cryptos are digital assets that use blockchain technology to ensure secure and transparent transactions. The most well-known are Bitcoin and Ethereum, as you may know, but there are thousands of others out there. I recently just made a video talking about AI and crypto that you can find here. However, this will have plenty of information. To get started, you'll need to create an account with a crypto exchange like Binance or Crypto.com. Personally, two of my favorites. These platforms allow you to buy, sell, and securely store your crypto. However, it is essential for you to learn about wallets. As hot wallets are online and they are accessible from anywhere, cold wallets are offline and they offer a bit more security, as someone would have to come and take this out of your pocket and enter your seed phrase to take any of your money. However, start with small investments and see how the market works. I actually recommend you just scope out the market for about a week before you put any money in and just see what happens. Remember, never invest more than you can handle to lose, as crypto is extremely volatile. So once you set up your account, you can start buying crypto. Most exchanges allow you to buy fractions of a coin, so you don't need a lot of money to get started. For example, you can buy $10 worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, make sure you do your research and you're only investing in coins that you truly believe in, meaning a proper team and a proper mission and a proper end goal for the Web3 and the crypto space. So how do you choose between stocks and crypto? Well, first off, you need to assess your risk tolerance. Traditionally, stocks are safer with steady growth, while crypto can be very volatile with significantly higher returns. But it's important for you to educate yourself by following reputable investment communities and news networks. And diversification is absolutely key here. You need to spread your investments across multiple assets to reduce your risk. And you do not have to choose one over the other. Myself, including mostly everybody else, invests in both stocks and crypto to balance out their portfolio. Now we're going to talk about how you can start investing with just a little bit of money. First off and foremost, you need to set a budget. Determine how much you can spend without impacting your daily expenses and still living comfortably. Micro investing apps like Acorn and Stash are absolutely fantastic for beginners, as they allow you to invest your spare change from everyday purchases, making it very easy to start small and grow that bag over time. Fractional shares are another great option for beginners. This way you can invest in big companies like Amazon or Google without having to own an entire portion of the share. Finally, you need to automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account. This helps you stay consistent, and for beginners, it takes the hassle out of manually investing the money. Remember though, the key is to start now, no matter how small. Small, consistent investments will add up significantly over time. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. Thank you for sticking around. That should be it for today. And you should now have a solid understanding of traditional stocks and cryptos and how to get started with just a little bit of money. Now, if you're ready to start your investment journey, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and weekly videos. Comment below your biggest investment question or the topic you'd like to see me cover next. But until then, see you next time. Stay hungry, stay disciplined, stay consistent.